Hi everybody, welcome back to another benchmark video. So today I present the Atto disk benchmark test on the Lenovo S145, which I got 8 months ago. So I'm fast forwarding the test and looks like it is performing as expected. So I'm starting to see the 300s, the 400s. Oh, a 470 on that write speed right there. We got a 491 on the read. So that's pretty cool. So a little background on the SSD. The SSD is a Samsung. I'll put a link in the description below for the full details. It's an M.2, and we did a test on it a few days ago with using Crystal Disk Mark. So it came with a laptop, and I was surprised how well it performed. So looking at the results right now, it's actually performing, just like a Samsung would. If you guys saw my previous video, the SSD also had a lot of features with it, such as trim, S.M.A.R.T, Devsleep. So it's been pretty good. It has 215 power on hours as well. And it is about 31% full. So here are the results. It's looking pretty good. Let me enlarge that for everybody. Okay, let's see here. So from what I can tell, the highest write speed I can see here is around the 494. Couple of 492s, there's a 493. Read speed, it reached up to 520, which is pretty good. A lot of 500s in the read speeds. So on the Crystal Disk Mark test, right here on the left, we have 548, 528, 396, and 31. And for the write speeds, wow. So for the write speeds, you got a couple 500s compared to the, I don't see any 500s on the write speed on the Atto benchmark test, but that's fine. So those are the results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to test more SSDs. Thank you. Have a good day.